Only Blendtec offers 3 different lid styles: hard plastic, soft rubber, or gripper models to give you the easiest lids to remove in the industry. You never struggle to set or lift a Blendtec lid. Just a simple flip of the thumb and the lid is off. Even our jar sets Blendtec apart as the best in the industry. Why? It is space-saving, non-breakable, easy to read, easy to pour, square, and safer for employees to use. In the commercial blending industry, counter space is always at a premium, so Blendtec designed the first stackable jar to conserve this limited resource. Our jar is non-breakable, made from tough, durable polycarbonate plastic. To add an extra degree of confidence, our jar carries the NSF seal of approval. Other manufacturers mold their measuring markings into the jar, leaving them hard to read. Not Blendtec. Blendtec prints bold markings across the jar, making measuring fast and accurate. And as an added value, if you want your custom logo printed on the jar or custom drink measurements, we can do that as well. Blendtec was the first to perfect square jars. Why? A square design creates more motion as product bounces off the side of the jar and flows back into the blending vortex. Our ergonomically designed jar pours from 3 different corners and is shorter with half the weight of other jars holding the same volume. These innovations of weight, design, and user-friendliness make Blendtec jars safe and easy to use. Our blade is the best in the industry. We are so sure that you will never need to replace the blade that we guarantee it for as long as you own our blender. Made of food-grade polished stainless steel, our blade's patented winglet design moves product inside the jar as efficiently as airplanes move air over their wings. Each blade has a wingspan of nearly 4 inches and is 2 to 3 times thicker than any other blade in the industry. Each blade is precision balanced to handle the high rotational speeds generated by Blendtec's powerful motors. Blendtec's unique combination of design, power, and power control produces the industry's highest blade volume factor. Simply stated, Blendtec is able to move more product from the top of the jar through the blade area faster than any blender in the industry. The result is a blend so smooth, we call it micronization. And a smooth drink is a tastier drink. Compare the texture of your finished product using a Blendtec and you'll agree. No other manufacturer gives you this. Model for model, Blendtec combines the smallest footprint with the shortest height of any blender on the market. Another Blendtec first is a sound enclosure. We offer models with and without this innovation. Blendtec blenders can blend wet or dry ingredients without changing blades, allowing you to use the blender in the back as well as the front of your establishment. Blendtec gives you the versatility of in-counter or above-counter designs that can adapt to the growth of your business. If you need to move your blender, move it. No other blender lets you do that. The motor is the heart and soul of Blendtec blenders, and we know the value of power. More power increases movement of product within the jar. Blendtec motors are nearly twice as powerful as our nearest competitor and 4 to 6 times more powerful than the typical blender. 3.0 and 3.5 peak horsepower motors are standard on all Blendtec products. Our combination of jar and blade design, together with this superior power, creates the best blended drinks in the industry. Blendtec helps you keep your food prep areas clean in several ways, starting with our stainless steel blending platform. Our jars rinse easily and drain completely. We eliminate useless utensils. Other blenders give you hand tools to help their power tools complete each job. Not a good idea. Plungers get dropped on the floor, nicked by the blender blades, carry debris into your drinks, and cultivate bacteria. This is one problem you don't need. Blendtec blenders have no knobs or switches. What we don't have can't hurt you. Knobs and switches that don't exist can't wear out or get dirty. The weakest link on all other blenders is motor drive socket, commonly called a drive clutch. It is usually made of powdered metal that breaks under the stress of normal wear and tear. Blendtec is the first and only company to design a clutchless motor drive line and build it with ball-bearing quality steel. Since our product is the best, we give you the best warranty in the business. For as long as you own the machine, we guarantee the drive. Blendtec blenders are tough enough to blend hard ice without water, controlled enough to turn frozen fruit into smoothies, and gentle enough to make salsa, all thanks to microprocessor controls. One touch and your blend is perfectly the same each and every time. There is no better or easier way to control your blending machines than with state-of-the-art electronics. Blendtec was the first to introduce solid-state electronics and the only manufacturer that offers solid-state electronics on every blender in its entire product line. Electronic control changes blade speeds during the mix of any particular blend. Changing speeds lets product fall toward the blade, creating more movement through the jar to break up ice or fruit, producing more flavorful drinks. Blending with Blendtec takes one touch. The microprocessor automatically starts the motor, changes speeds, and stops when your drink is perfectly blended. You design the drink, and Blendtec makes it as smooth as you choose. Blendtec was the first company to offer the flexibility to create custom blend cycles. This feature enables you to develop blend cycles that will enhance signature drinks. A standard feature on all Blendtec blender models is 30 pre-programmed blend cycles that you can access with the touch of a button. We also have a mixologist on staff, available at no charge to you, who will work with your recipes to develop drinks you will be proud to serve. Blendtec blenders are smart and easy to use. Labor costs are reduced because training new employees is simple. Blendtec blenders are made in the USA. Warranties include a lifetime guarantee on the blade and motor drive. Now that you've seen the features and benefits of Blendtec, it is easy to see why we are the innovation leader in the blender industry. Blending is more than a science at Blendtec. Our commitment to create the best product in the industry rises to an art form. Our commitment shows in our products. It shows in the service you'll receive from our employees. It will show in the exceptional blended product you'll serve to your customers. Blendtec, where a blender is not just a blender, but the choice of the world's blending professional.